on HSN Today. But we're starting off this hour and we're solving some beauty problems. And so I want to ask you, right off the bat, is your beauty issue that you have uneven skin tone? Whether it is dark spots, you've got age spots, maybe it's, you scratched yourself, you had a blemish, you kind of messed with it. We all do that. I do that. And then you ended up with a spot. And how do you get rid of it? Maybe you've tried some things that you thought were going to work. Well, I want to introduce you to Specific Beauty. This may be new to you. It's relatively new to us here at HSN, but this is already a customer pick, and you have to read the reviews because women and men love it. What they say is that it truly works, and you're getting all 4 pieces in this kit. You get the 30 count of the exfoliating cleansing cloths. These are dual-sided, textured and smooth. You're also going to get the skin brightening serum, which this is award-winning, double award-winning as well. It has won awards from Prevention Magazine as well as Essence Magazine, where it is a beauty award winner. You're also going to get your daily hydrating lotion SPF 30 and your night beauty treatment complex. You've got it all, and it's less than $40 today. And I'm telling you, if you have those dark spots on your skin, you're kind of willing to pay any amount to get rid of them, but you've got a great price break. Normally, the skin brightening serum, that award winner, almost $30 on its own. Another $23.95 for the night beauty treatment complex. Another $22.95 for that daily hydrating lotion with your SPF built in, and then almost $10 for the exfoliating cleansing cloths. So we're over 50% off of retail, and you get this dermatologist designed and tested line right here, right now. It's 219080. And I want to introduce you to our guest this morning. Her name is Dr. Heather Woolery Lloyd. She is an award-winning, board-certified dermatologist. She's an internationally renowned lecturer. She is one of the opinion leaders when it comes to skincare. She sees patients and conducts clinical research in private practice at the University of Miami, where she also serves as the director of ethnic skincare. She knows skin through and through. And Dr. Heather Woolery Lloyd, we're glad that you're joining us.
Thank you, Tamara. I'm so happy to be here.
Definitely. And I'm glad that you're in the morning, too, because a lot of women are in the mirror putting on concealer and foundation, trying to hide those dark spots.
Exactly. And I'll tell you, every single day in my practice, women come in complaining of uneven skin tone, dark spots, that their skin is dull and rough. And when I really looked at the things that were available, they were either too expensive or too complicated, or they simply didn't work. So I actually needed to create a regimen for my patients that was science-based, that was easy to use, and actually delivered results. And that's why I created Specific Beauty, because I wanted to restore that even, youthful skin that we all want from my patients.
That's right, because even skin, when you look at like a young person's face, it's radiant because it's so even.
It's smooth.
I love that you gave us a 4-piece kit, because it's so quick and easy. It doesn't take much, right?
It's so important because we're all so busy. We all have so many things to do. And I really wanted my regimen to be simple and easy and for it to work.
Okay.
So it's 3 simple steps. 3 steps in the morning and 3 steps in the night.
Okay. And then we start off with always clean skin.
Clean
That's
skin.
That's always the most important thing.
So I will show you these. So that's step 1 is the exfoliating cleansing cloth. And the exfoliating cleansing cloths are fantastic. Let me just show you what they're like. These cloths are so durable. They're so, strong. When you buy those, sometimes you buy these wipes in the store and they feel like they're going to fall apart in your hands. Yeah. These are durable. And I have a little makeup on my hand here, and you can see that one side is actually smooth for makeup removal. And you can see it just removes that lip stain right off. It's very, very easy to use. And then the other side has textured beads for gentle exfoliation. And exfoliation is so important because it sets your skin up for step 2, which is the skin brightening serum.
Okay. And the skin brightening serum, remember, that's a double award winner.
It is.
Yeah.
It's won multiple awards. And I'll tell you, the skin brightening serum is, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a very lightweight serum. It's light yellow in color, and that's because it's rich in licorice. So it has licorice, retinol, and antioxidants, and all of these work together to even the skin tone. And really, I'm a dermatologist that works in a university, so I'm fortunate enough to be invited to lecture all over the world on the cosmetic treatment of uneven skin tone. So I know what works, and I know the exact ingredients that deliver deliver results. And that is what I packed into this serum. It's so based on science.
Yes, and you know what? You see that. You can see it literally, the before and after, just using twice a day. Her skin in the after looks so perfectly smooth and even.
Smooth and even and radiant, and the texture has improved.
Yeah.
I mean, I love to see my patients when they come back because they're literally glowing. I walk into the exam room and I'll say, you're glowing.
Yes.
Your skin looks fantastic.
Oh, wow.
This is another beautiful picture.
That was a pretty dark spot,
A dark spot from the sun, and it's faded. It looks fantastic, and she feels better. She doesn't have to wear makeup. You know, when you have a spot on your face, you feel like you have to put concealer here and concealer there. You can walk out of the house without any makeup, and it's just really, really effective.
Yes, and then we're going to show you even more. Oh, look at that.
And this is another great example. I love this picture. This patient is glowing. You know, when she came back to see me, she was ecstatic because she saw such a tremendous difference. You can see that glow, that radiance, that even skin that really makes your skin look youthful. It makes you look younger or more radiant.
And this is for all skin tones, all skin types, right?
All skin tones, all skin types. So, you know, everyone gets brown spots. Everyone can develop this uneven skin tone. You can develop these, you know, little spots on your skin. And Specific Beauty is designed specifically to even the skin tone, to make your skin youthful and even and radiant.
I love that. So that was step 2, and you're getting, remember, all 4 pieces in this kit,
Right.
award-winning, and this is your opportunity as you're seeing the befores and afters. I hope that you're watching while you're on the phone. We want to move on to step 3.
So step 3 in the morning is the Daily Hydrating Lotion with SPF 30. And this is a fantastic product because not only is it a lightweight moisturizer, but it's also a broad spectrum sunscreen with UVA, UVB coverage, SPF 30, and it contains antioxidants and skin brighteners. So all of those things are packed into this one little daily hydrating lotion that you use in the morning. And so it's a multitasker. I call that my multitasking product because really it helps. It does so many things. It's a moisturizer, it's a sunscreen, skin brightener, and antioxidants all in the morning.
I love, look at that radiance. I just put it on this hand, and this hand just looks dry. This one looks radiant.
It glows. Your skin glows.
And you know what? It's got your SPF of 30 built in. And I'm always a little bit leery of SPFs because sometimes the older ones could make your skin look a little bit ashy, look a little bit pasty. But do you see how smooth and radiant that is? So that is what you're going to do during the day.
During the day.
And then in the evening, you have your beauty treatment.
Exactly. So at night, it's the night treatment complex. So again, I'll go through the steps just so it's clear, and it's really easy to use. So step 1, of course, is always to cleanse with exfoliating cleansing cloths. Those are fantastic. Step 2 is the skin brightening serum. And then at night is the night treatment complex. And it is, the night treatment complex contains retinol and skin brighteners. So we all know retinol helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and I think every woman over 30 needs to be on a retinol product because it's so important. We know from years and years of research that is our tried and true ingredient. But not only will you get your retinol, but you'll also get your skin brightener to even your skin tone, to help remove those dark spots, to help remove those sunspots that we get on our face, on our chest, on our hands from driving.
I didn't even think about that.
Yes.
So you can use it in more than one.
You absolutely can.
You know what I want to do? Can we show that study again? Because I really want to go back to the night treatment complex study where you can see in a consumer perception study, 85% of the people agreed that their skin texture was improved. Almost 79% agreed that their skin was brighter. That is a huge statement. And then 85% agreed that their skin hydration was improved. Because a lot of times we tend to kind of overdo it. We're trying to get rid of one problem and we create another one. You're trying to get rid of the spots and you create dryness. But with this, you have the best of all worlds and you have it in one really tight, really cohesive kit. It's $39.95. And if you have spots on your skin, on your neck, on your décolleté, on your hands that you're trying to cover because you just don't like them, this is the kit for you. We want to take a listen to some more testimonials and give you a chance to go ahead and order yours.
What my friends say about my skin, they ask me what is my secret. And when I tell them it's Specific Beauty, they need to have it. They just see a big difference. They thought, did I get a promotion at work? Did I win the lottery? They see a glow that's coming out very natural, and just at my skin having less wrinkles and brighter skin and a lot more even skin tone.
You know what? I'm really happy with this set, doctor, because for a lot of women, even before the wrinkles, even before the fine lines, what makes you look older when you look in the mirror is the uneven skin.
That is so true. You know, actually, I had a patient the other day. She came to see me in the spring because she was getting married this summer, and she was really complaining about how her skin looked, that she had these dark spots, her skin looked uneven, she was in her 30s, and she wanted to look beautiful for her wedding. And I saw her last week. I put her on this regimen, and within a month or two, she said her skin was glowing. It was radiant, and she was so excited. You know, that's so rewarding to me, because it's so important to have that confidence that you don't feel like you need to cover up before you go outside. You want to run to the grocery store and not have to feel like you need to cover up.
Right.
And that's what Specific Beauty is designed to do. It's designed to give you youthful, even, radiant skin. And that's really why I designed this for my patients.
And you know what? When you think about dermatologist designed, dermatologist tested, clinical research, you think about this is a line that really is made to deliver. And the thing is, if you don't have a dark spot now, then you're lucky, but you will, because what's going to happen is I'll get a scar, I'll scratch myself, and I've got a bite. I mean, I've got a mark. I get bit by mosquitoes all the time, I've got a mark. I'll scratch a blemish, I've got a mark. Maybe for you it's the sun. So what I like is that you have this at the ready. And for the serum, do I only use it on the spots, or do I use it all over?
So it's a targeted spot application. So you put the serum just where you need it, and you just put it on. It's really simple, 3 simple steps. So in the morning, of course, it's 3 steps in the morning and 3 steps at night. So first is always to cleanse, and to do that, we use these exfoliating cleansing cloths. They're so durable. Look at this.
Wow.
This is fantastic. And as I mentioned, one side is smooth for makeup removal, and the other side has textured beads for gentle exfoliation, and it sets your skin up for step 2, which is the skin brightening serum. And the skin brightening serum is silky smooth. You put it just where you need it, absorbs right in, it's lightweight, and then in the morning you have the daily hydrating lotion with SPF 30. It's hydrating, antioxidants, and moisturizers. And at night you have the night treatment complex, which contains retinol and skin brighteners. So if you have uneven skin tone, this is the regimen for you. This is the perfect regimen for you.
Thank you so much for creating this. This is something for everybody. It is 219-080. Go ahead and order yours on the phone or on hsn.com, and we will